Caribbean friends.
Hello friends, I'm Therapy. First we will learn colors together. Here we go. Red,
Like a apple.
green,
Like the lemon.
yellow,
Like a banana.
pink,
Like a strawberry. Purple. Like a eggplant. Let's start to draw. Today we are going to learn a Charmander. It's a Pokemon. First we are drawing the body according to picture. Observe the picture and start drawing. Use a thin marker for detailed work. Draw eyes and face. Make sure to draw every single line to make your drawing as like picture. Let's paint our drawing. What color we will use in his body? Red or orange? Orange, right. Pink or yellow? Right, yellow. Purple or blue? Right, blue. Pink or black? Right, black. Hello friends, thank you for watching Draw with Caribbean Friend. Subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on notification. Don't forget to watch next drawing. See you soon.